backyard of our house. Look at that. Yeah, I'll show you. It's in the backyard. See? See that? Lots of snow. Lots of snow. Yeah, look at that. Mowgli, come on. Come on, Mowgli. Yeah, look at Mowgli over there. She loves to play in the snow. She is looking for her ball. Mom, come here. Your ball is here. You cannot find your ball. Come here. Come on. Here. Look at that, guys. But the last time snow was so really so many. Yeah. Come here.